cards. I know that Ernesto's food is going to be actual, because the bus is not original.
Hang on for me, because I'm wedged in here tight. Just pray for the camera.
Yeah, I know, so I'm the doors that really get the work.
Yeah, you're going to get it.
I'm going to get soaked in the water.
I'm not going to get it this time.
So they're in France, alright, and this guy, he's one of the seats,
You're probably in the best position. All the moms from cricket to watch it.
There's a little opening right here.
Yeah, there's one between every one.
I know.
I'm just going to try and keep the camera dry. I might just focus on you.
Your raft trip is a safe one. Remember to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, legs, and everything else inside the raft. And be sure to watch your kids.
Hey, Raptors, looks like you just hit a stretch of slow water. Just stay seated and keep those safety belts on and your hands inside the raft. You'll get going again in just a minute. Thanks.
And remember, tengo cuidado por monstruo.
Hey, Raptors,
Is monster on
looks like you
there?
just hit a stretch of slow water. Just stay seated and keep those safety belts on and your hands inside the raft. You'll get going again in just a minute.
I know.
You're by the door.
You know those tires that are full.
Hey, Raptors,
This is real peaceful now.
hit a stretch of slow water. Just stay seated and keep those safety belts on.
Hey, what are you watching back there?
I don't know how to steer this thing. Oh no.
Hey, what are you watching over there? There you go.
Piling up. It's like a freeway. Oh man.
Cannot, it's going to water.
Yeah, there'll be like water coming down, water coming from the left and from the right, and it's going to get you down.
That's great.
We got to get you wet this time. I got it last time.
We'll go up like this, because that way you'll be able to see the water and be able to avoid it from the camera.
I'll probably get because I got the camera.
You spent the night here? Yeah,
Protect my watch.
No. I did school on Monday. I did school after SAT testing on Wednesdays and it was like empty.
Oh, at least we're going forward.
Last time we were backward.
Yeah.
I was backward last time most of the time.
Oh, but look at that up there. It's like right here. Or not.
Over there.
This one's right on Dan. It's going to be right on you.
I'm going to avoid getting the camera wet if at all possible.
Yeah, that was going to happen.
Camera waterproof?
No. It's up to me.
Is this thing gonna like go down?
Oh, not another one.
You get really red.
Somebody should really fix the pipes.
Yeah.
Really.
Oh, here's another one for you,
What's that up
Dan.
there? Is that the hotel? Yeah. They have
Look at this.
I know I'm wet already.
You're not.
and there are all these. Oh, I hate that right down there. It jerks me out.
It holds you when you sit.
Yeah, it slows you up. Actually, just let you go. This will be a cool view.
For a while. Oh, we're just doing it.
There's a tower up there.
Great. I get to go down the course.
Good job, Brent.
It's gonna feel this. Whoa! It's gonna feel just like you're on it when you watch the movie, you know?
Dude, I bet Daniel
last time. I couldn't. I was turned around. I got
Great, I have to go back first.
Oh no.
I hate it when you can't see where you're going, because then it's like,
Oh, and people are screaming. That's not good.
Oh, good.
Good.
There we go. That's much better.
Oh. This is better than last time.
Yeah, there we go.
oh man. Damn. I got nothing to lose now.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
I thought it was a hot
damn.
day. Really?
Oh,
Now I know how Trevor feels.
Not me, man.
Oh my god, no.
I get so wet already. It's just sad.
It's cool though, isn't it?
I got nothing to lose now.
You're gonna be cool now for a while.
Look at this.
Instead of too hot.
I thought you said
That
we
big
didn't
drop,
get
man.
wet, Spencer.
Oh, we
man.
haven't got, we haven't got the big drop yet. I know.
Yeah, that will be me.
It was just not bad.
Now?
That's not too bad so far.
No, I want to be in the back.
That was already
No, I
pretty
hate being
good.
in the back. I like getting
Oh, here
wet.
we go again.
Now it'll
No, this
stop.
time there's a rock in the middle.
You know what?
I'm in the back. Yes, yes, I'm in the front.
Oh no.
Oh, like,
Oh god.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh man.
Stop that time.
That was it.
Yeah, you can stop this. Last time it stopped. It almost knocked my glasses off.
I know, but
My job.
Oh my.
you have to seriously dry that camera.
I know. My shirt's dry.
I'm gonna need the time on swim before soaring over California.
I know, I told you.
Oh man.
Look out, look out, look out.
You suck. Oh, God. Fire hole.
Here, now you're in charge. It's going.
Is it?
You guys can eat them.
Oh, man.
It didn't stop.
Of course we had to go on the back first, you know, because that's the most water hitting you.
It didn't stop. I was waiting. I thought it would stop.
Going and it twisted us while we were in it.
I really got soaked.
Yeah, it's 2:30.
Okay.
Now, Dan, you left your beak. Dan left his beak.
He did. How terrible.